So you may be feeling like your garden is lacking in energy at the moment, maybe feeling a little flat in these first few days of January, but your garden can be full of vibrant colour even in these cold days of winter. So I really recommend choosing a few of these plants, getting them into your displays for winter colour that will take you all the way through to spring, when we know there's going to be a fabulous show on as well. So my first recommendation for you is going to be cyclamens. You can get autumn flowering cyclamens, and I really recommend you do, and then follow this on with the winter flowering cyclamens, cyclamen coum. They're wonderful, they're vibrant pink, they create carpets of colour in your garden, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Another recommendation for you, it would be a hellebore. Hellebores are a fantastic plant. They're going to flower all the way through Christmas. They're going to go all the way through into April, and they are just beautiful little teacup shaped flowers. My favorite are the white ones, but you can get them splashed with pink and beautiful sort of deep reds. They really look wonderful in a winter garden. um, I also would say try to get a witch hazel into your garden, because they have the most fantastic yellow flowers which smell incredible. Now, witch hazels, if you've got loads of space, you can get one that's going to be quite large, but you can get smaller varieties as well. So it's worth playing with that and just seeing if there's anything that might suit your space. But when you're thinking about colour, my last tip would be, don't forget, green is a fantastic colour in your garden. So all the different shades of green, that wonderful palette that you can bring in, all the evergreen plants can provide fantastic foliage and fantastic colour across the year. So just have a think about how you can get more colour into your garden at this time of the year. And if you want more tips, why not download my free ebook? The link is just in my bio. It's 50 fabulous ideas to create the garden of your dreams. If you're watching this on TikTok, I'll put the link into the comments. You just have to copy paste that into your browser. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.